ready to do box 2. Sleeves are here. I've got them. Make sure I have enough. Got the magnetic if I need it. I've got the top loaders. I can't really tag yet still. I don't know what is going on with that. So I'll just wait a while. Oh, let me fix this. There it is. Cool. There's the box. You guys have any choice in it? We're going to do them all anyway. I mean, we just grab the first one. There it is. And just so it's on camera, there's that again from last night. I put it on last night. There it is again. Same case. It's the only case I have. I will be doing more of this, so this will not be the final case that I do. I think I'm going to get another case tomorrow. I already asked him and he has it. He's holding it for me. So more National Treasures to come. I kind of like this a little. I mean, I would do Flawless. I just think it's way pricey for 10 cards. You know what I mean? I mean, I could do one briefcase. I can get that too, but it would be like double the price of this. So, I don't know. I think I'm going to stick with this. Can't tag, so I'm kind of just hanging. There's 6. I'll wait until it gets up a little bit. We have Chris Thompson with the Cardinals. Sean Richardson's got the Falcons. Tim Utz, Ravens. Horton's got the Bills. Mike Jr.'s got the Panthers. Kenny Horton's got the Bears. Bengals, Sean Richardson. Browns, Matt Kiefer. Cowboys, Brock. Broncos, Ryan Christopher Sinkule. Pebble's got the Lions. Lauer's got the Packers. Texans is Blumenshine. He won them in a filler for the whole thing. Lauer's got the Colts. Dane Reynolds got the Jags. Chiefs, John Garcia. Chargers, Matt Kiefer. Rams, Brock Angle. Dolphins, Safridi. Vikings, Matney. Tucker, Patriots. Safridi, Saints. Yeah, I forgot to mark that. He paid me. And Saints. Then we got Wogan. It's got the Giants. Wogan or Wogan. I'm probably messing that up. Jets, Horton. Wyndham Raiders. Blumenshine has the Eagles. Lauer's got the Steelers. Hornibrook's got the 49ers in this one. Lucci's got Seahawks. Kiefer's got the Buccaneers. McAtee's got the Titans. Lucci's got the Redskins. And Celebrity Non-Sport Austin Lauer. I would love to pull one of them. They're cut autos. Looks like Tupac Shakur's in there. Paul McCartney, Ringo Starr. There's some pretty... I think, yeah, there's some big ones. If you get one of them, holy cow. So I'm hoping we get one. That would be fun. All right, let me post it. It's live. Hold on. This is live. There you go. And I'll just put the link to it. Can I? No. Doesn't let me. Alright, we got 6. Alright. Let me get the gloves on a while. They take me a minute. I have these gloves that are any size fits all, and they're barely fit. I've torn, I can't tell you how many. I think I found a way to get them on. There we go. I found a way to get them on without ripping them. There we go. If you hear music and stuff, they're watching the Holiday Baking channel. Holiday Baking show in there. My daughter likes to watch that show. Alright. Hey, if you're looking for a good show to watch too, I found it on Showtime. It's a show called Billions. It's really good. I think there's 4 seasons of it. If you're looking for something to watch, take a look at it. I'm enjoying it. I'm in the season 2 at this point. I watch it during the morning. Really? No, I'm in Battlefield. I'm looking right at it. Yeah, up to 9. It's just taking time because I can't tag. Yeah, I'm good. Last time I wasn't in the group and I was like, what is going on here? Yeah, I see it. Cool. Yeah, we're up to 10. Little by little. I posted it's live. Yeah, I'm seeing some people coming in. Let's give it a second here. I don't know what happened, why I can't tag. Tyler can't either. Like, not from the PC. Works on the app, doesn't work on the PC. It's weird. Yeah, don't get me thinking that way. I'm like, oh no, is it? I think I'm good. Yeah, I am. It's in. I'm looking right at it on the computer. It's there. It's in Battlefield. Last time it was really weird. Like, when I did that, I must have been daydreaming or something. Alright, we're up to 12. And that's pretty close. Alright, cool. Let's get going on it. I'll recap it in case people come in, and if they need to see it, I'll tag them to it. National Treasures. Box 2 out of the 4-box case. 3 is up right now, if you want to jump in. I'll break 2 tonight. I'm kind of hoping that I break 2 tonight. That'd be fun. And then you might see a Bowman Sterling popping up here. And he's after this one. There's the seal on that. There's the seal on that. And we'll cut that. Let's see what we're going to pull. And this one is thick. That means there's a book in it. See it? Alright. Sealed. Sealed. Yeah, see how it's raised? It would be down to the bottom if it wasn't. So this one's got something in it. What's it gonna be? Yeah, look at how high that goes. What do we have? Looks like 1 book. Yeah, 1 book. Alright, let me get this back here. And we'll put that there. That should work. There's the book in there. See it? Somebody's getting the book. Cool. Gotta love it when we get the books. Alright, you guys ready? Here we go. First card on the top is... Oh, how many do we have here? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8... Yeah, 10 again. It's 10. We have Troy Brown. Treasured Moments for the Patriots. That one's numbered 30 out of 75. So right off the bat, Nick Tucker gets a card. Troy Brown, numbered to 75, Treasured Moments. And then number 2 is going to go to the Browns, Odell Beckham Jr., 15 out of 25. That's going to Matt Kiefer. Looks like it's kind of refractor. The edging is refracted. You see what I mean? Or maybe you can see it. It's like a silverish shiny, like a refractor would be. Browns are on the board. Odell Beckham, 15 out of 25. Low numbered. Oh, cool. The third one is Johnny Unitas, Century Materials for the Colts. That's 10 out of 99 down there in the bottom left. Let's go on to Austin. Got a Johnny Unitas memorabilia card. Colts. Nice. And then we're getting into the thicker ones here. We have a Kirk Cousins, Colossal. 20 out of 25 for the Vikings. That would be Kyle Matney. There you go, Kyle. It's a sweet looking card. And that one's a 197 for sure. It's like a piece of the patch in there, the lining. Kirk Cousins. 20 out of 25. This one's kind of thick too. I know there's two. All right. We have a Rams card, NFL gear. Kurt Warner and Isaac Bruce, dual relic. NFL gear for the Rams. Brock. There you go, Brock. Nick, you got a Troy Brown numbered card right off the bat. Number to 75. That was the Patriots. There's Brock. This one's 64 out of 99. Isaac Bruce, Kurt Warner. Rams are on the board. And then we have a triple. The triple is going to go to the 49ers. Nick Bosa, George Kittle, and Deebo Samuel. NFL gear triple. 84 out of 99. San Francisco gets one. And that is going to be Jason Hornibrook. There you go, bud. I think that's going to be yeah, perfect. 138. 49ers. And now we're getting into the autographs, and we have a book coming. And we got our... Looks like the Lions are getting one. Chris Pepple. Kerryon Johnson. Autograph. Looks like maybe a patch. Number 19 out of 25. It's got that silvery refractor outlining to it. Kerryon Johnson of the Lions. Knocking it out. There you go. Cool. Lions are on the board. And I'm going to leave the book to last. Wow, that's cool. Look at this one. You'll like this one. This is a good one. We have Nick Bosa. Autographed. 8 out of 10. Wow. On card and everything. Look at that. It's got a numbered 4 in it. Jason Hornibrook picked the 49ers on the right box. Nice card there. 8 out of 10. Beautiful. Congratulations. That is a beautiful card. Nick Bosa. That's the first one I pulled of Nick Bosa. Other than a memorabilia card. That's his first auto. Number to 10 even. It's got that refractor lining as well. Beautiful. And then we have Will Grier of the Panthers. Panthers is Mike Jr. Grabbed them this morning. Rookie patch auto. It's got a piece of the lettering in there. That's pretty nice. 33 out of 99 on card. And then we have a book. A rookie jumbo it is. A rookie jumbo, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So there's the Panthers. And our last card for box 2, no worries because we have 2 more boxes to go. It's numbered 4 out of 99. It's a rookie jumbo. And it's going to David Montgomery of the Bears. Nice. Autograph, rookie jumbo, 4 out of 99. Chicago Bears. That's going to be Kenny Horton. Grabbing that one. Nice looking card there. I like these booklets. They are sweet. There's the back of it. It is player worn, used material, and autograph guaranteed. Sweet. And I have a magnetic that I will put that in then. There you go. Nice and secure. David Montgomery, rookie jumbo. Recapping, we have that rookie jumbo booklet. We have Will Greer of the Panthers, rookie patch auto, number /99. We got a sweet number /10, Nick Bosa autograph. It's got a piece of the 49er logo in there. That's pretty neat looking. Then we have Kerryon Johnson of the Lions, number /25. Has some kind of a patch and an autograph. That's not on card. Still cool though. Another 49er has Bosa, Kittle, and Deebo Samuel triple NFL gear, number /99. We have another NFL gear double, and that is for the Rams, Kurt Warner and Isaac Bruce, number /99. We've got a Colossal, and that's number /25, Kirk Cousins for the Vikings. We have a Johnny Unitas Century Materials, 10/99 for the Colts. We've got Odell Beckham Jr., Browns, number /25. And Troy Brown, Patriots, number /75. And there is box 2. Box 3 is up. I will break it tonight, no problem. A couple of teams have been taken, and I'm watching notifications popping up while I'm doing this. So probably a couple more have been taken. And we can, do it again. We'll get box 3 done. I'm hoping to have this done by the weekend. I'm going to get another case tomorrow. And we'll keep doing it until I can't do it anymore. And we'll go from there. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you again. And hopefully I'll see you again tonight doing another one. If you want to message me, feel free. I will answer any questions. That is a sick Bosa card and a nice booklet. Pretty cool. We will see you guys later. Have a good one.